Hi everyone, let's make these beautiful flowers. We are cutting this purple fruit foam net, make V cuts. Now cut yellow foam net, roll it, and we are going to paste all of them like this. Now take another green crepe paper, cut it and paste all of them together and make more such colorful flowers. We're going to make colorful flowers using fruit foam net. So roll the foam net like this and tie it using a thread at one end. Now we are going to again open it and make a shape like this. We are going to fix it using flora tape, make more such colorful flowers and put all of them on this green stick. Cover it using flora tape and look, it is ready. We're going to make flower sticks using fruit foam net. So cut this purple foam net, roll it and tie it using thread. Now make small pieces and put all of them on this stick and cut the extra parts. Now we are making the leaves using green crepe paper. Paste all of them together, bend it and look, it is ready. Let's make flowers using fruit foam net. We are cutting this yellow foam net, roll it. After this we are going to tie it using thread. Now open it like this, again tie it using thread, cut it and put a stick at the center. Now we are going to paste all of them on this flower stick like this, make more such flowers and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.